he called me and he told me, I have doubt in 1.3, exercise 1.3, question number 5th one. So first we have to discuss about that doubt in exercise 1.3. The question number 5th as well as 7th we have the doubt. Yes. So first we will see those two, then we will go to our fraction and decimal chapter. Ready? Okay. See here, what is the 5th question here? Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. So, what is the question here? 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Yes, what are the properties you have studied in the chapter integer? Closure property, commutative property, associative property as well as distributive property. So, which property you are applying here? Yes, here I am applying. Is it a common in both the term? Yes, here this is a one of the term and the same way this is another term. Okay? In these two terms, what is the common number? Minus 48 is a common here. So just I will take minus 48 outside. This minus 48 it is a common here. I will take it outside. Then what is remaining in this first term? 26. And what is remaining in this second term? Minus 36. Okay. Now it is in the form of a into b minus c. Yes, clear? Okay. Just now minus 48 keep as it is. 26 minus 36, 10. Greater number? Minus. So now your answer minus 48 into minus 10. Yes, dear student, just observe here. Minus into minus, it becomes a plus. 48 into 10, 480. Is it clear? So just we have applied here which property? Distributive property under multiplication, under subtraction over the multiplication. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, in the same way here, the B question. What is the B question here? 8 into 53 into minus 125. Already in the class 6th we have studied in the chapter whole number. Find the product by using suitable rearrangement. There also have solved. Same way here, just what I am doing, first I will multiply 125 by 8. So 125 8s are how much? Please? 1000. Means how you are done it? 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4. 20. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 2. 10. So, plus 8 into minus 125, its answer is what? Minus 1000 into 53. Okay. Now, minus into plus, minus 1000 into 53. How much it is? 53,000. Okay. So, in this way, by using a suitable property as well as by using suitable rearrangement, we have to solve this. Next here, the question number C. C is also so easiest one. Just I will show how to solve, then remaining we can continue. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Dear student, just observe here. 25 4s are. 25 4s are how much? 100. Yes, okay. 15 into 10. 150. So plus into minus, minus 150. First I have multiplied 15 and 10. It becomes a minus 150. Next I will multiply minus 25 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 25 4s are 100. So no need to keep the plus sign here. Now minus into plus, minus 150 into 100, 150, 100. Yes, so what's our answer? Minus 15,000. So next one, same way each one as well as eighth one also same here. So I hope you have written this one. Now I will go to eighth one. Eighth one you can solve E. The question number E. So what is the eighth one here? 625. 625 each question in fifth May into minus 35 plus minus 625 into plus 65. Okay. Just a student, which is the common number in these two terms? Here you have two terms. Here you have two terms. In these two terms, what is the common number? Same number. 625 is the same number. But miss, here it is a plus 625. Here it is a minus 625. Which one you will take common? So for that purpose, I am taking one more step extra here. 625 into minus 35 keep as it is. Now plus into minus, minus it becomes. So what is remaining here? 625 into 65. Now, shall I take 625 outside from both the term? 625 outside from both the term? Yes. If I take 625 outside, remaining what here? Minus 35 to minus 65. Both are negative integer here. You have to add these two numbers and keep in terms of negative. 625 keep as it is, minus 35 minus 65 minus 100. Now we can get easily the product. Yes, tell me, 625 into 100, 625 100 plus into minus, minus. Clear? So your answer minus 62,500. Yes dear student, I hope you can solve. Okay, you have one more Dth one. How could you solve? Just I will tell how to solve. Okay, how to simplify Dth one. D as well as F. D question minus 41 into 102. Last year we were solving in the chapter whole number. We have to apply here also distributive property. Minus 41 keep as it is. 100 plus 2. I will split this number as 100 plus 2. Minus 41 into 100. Minus 41 into 2. So first I will multiply minus 41 into 100 plus next one minus 41 into 2. Then you have to simplify. Then you will get the answer. Okay, what about the F1 here? F1 7 into 50 minus 2. Already it is in this second step. Yes. So how we have solved minus 41 into 100 plus 2? Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Same way here also 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. If you solve, you will get the answer. Is it clear? Sir, just now at 10:30 one of the boy he was called me. Miss, I am not understanding in the question in the exercise 1.3, the fifth question. I hope now everybody got it. Is it clear to everybody? Yes? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, dear student. Good. Now we will go to the seventh question. He has given to me both fifth as well as seventh. I have doubt, miss. So now I will take the question number 7 in the exercise 1.3. Yes, question number 7 in the exercise 1.3. I hope you have written this out. Yes? Okay. What is the 7th question in the exercise 1.3? Very interesting it is. In a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions are there here totally? How many questions are there? Total number of questions. How many? How many questions? 10 questions. Yes. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Marks for correct answer. How many? How many? how many marks are awarded? -2 marks are awarded. Yes, for every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions not attempted. Marks for not attempted, how many? 0. Marks for not attempted, how many? 0. So what's your first question? Here you have some questions. So in that, what is the first question? What is the first question? Mohan. Who is he here? Who is he? Mohan. Mohan gets 4 correct answer. 4 correct. How many correct? 4 correct. Correct plus incorrect. And if it is for 1 correct answer, 5 marks. Such a way, how many correct answer he has done here? 4 correct answer means number of correct answer. Number of correct answer. It is multiplied by number of correct answer. It is multiplied by marks for correct answer plus number of incorrect answer multiplied by marks for incorrect answer. It gives what? It gives total score. It gives what? Total score. Yes, now I am conducting one of the quiz competition. For correct answer I am awarding 5 marks. For incorrect answer I am awarding 2 marks. Here 4 questions he have answered very correctly. Who is it? Mohan. For 4 question correct answer, what is your score? 5 for 1. Such a way 4 questions, 5 4s are 20. It is a marks awarded for correct answer. Then 6 incorrect answer. For 1 correct answer, how many marks you are getting? -2 marks. -2 means you are losing the 2 marks here. So way, how many incorrect answers you have given? 6. So -2 into 6, how much it is? -12. So same way we have to enter here. Number of correct answer 4. Marks for each correct answer 5 plus number of incorrect answer 6. Marks for each incorrect answer 2. It gives our total marks. Yes or no? So here 4 5s are 20 plus 6 2s are -12 equal to, we don't know. So it gives 20 plus into minus -12. 20 minus 12. 8. What is the Mohan score here? 8 marks is the Mohan score. Yes. What is the second question here? So in this way, we have 3 sub questions. So first one over. Second question. Reshma. Who is he? Who is she? Reshma. Okay. Reshma gets 5 correct. How many correct? 5 correct. What is the marks awarded for each correct answer? 5 marks plus and 5 incorrect answer. And 5 incorrect answer. What is the marks for incorrect answer? -2. If you simplify this one, then you will get the marks for Reshma. 5 5s are 25 plus 5 into 2 -10 here. Now 25 plus into -10. What is the Reshma score? 15 marks. Okay. Next third question here. Third question. Hina. Who is she? Hina. Third girl, Hina. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. 2 correct for each 2 correct marks. For each correct answer, 5 marks. Then how many incorrect? 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect for each incorrect marks. What is the score? For each incorrect answer, what is the mark? -2. Out of 7 questions she attempted, what is her score? But here totally how many questions are there? 10 questions. Only she has attended here 2 questions, here 5 questions, then remaining 3 questions she did not attend. But not attended, how many marks you are getting? 0 marks. Yes or no? For not attending the answer, for not attending the question, she is getting just 0 mark. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 5 2s are 10, that is minus 10 here. Plus into minus, minus 5 2s are 10 plus 3 into 0, 0. Okay. 10 plus into minus, minus 10 plus 0, 10 minus 10, 0. 0 plus 0 again, 0. So what is the score of Hina? 0 itself. What is the score of Hina? 0 itself. So this is your question number 5th as well as 7th in the exercise 1.3. Is it clear to everyone? Okay dear student. Let's take this answer. Then we will go to our fraction as well as decimal chapter. Is it over? Yes, good. Shall I rub it? Shall I rub it? Okay, please everyone, you have to on your video. Please dear student, I am requesting you to, I want to see your face. All of you on your video. Sahana, Jayashree, Vaishnavi. Yes, good, good. Yes, at least if I see your face, I will get some energy. That type of miracle is there in your face. Yes? Yes? Okay, dear student. Please on your video. Vijay. Vijay. Okay. Next, shall we go to the fraction chapter? Fraction as well as decimal. So, yesterday we have discussed about the multiplication as well as division of the fraction. We have solved so many problems. Now, we will take the exercise 2.2 based on the multiplication of fractions. Yes? Is it there? Based on multiplication of fraction? Very, very easiest exercise 2.2. Yes? The exercise number 2.2 we have to solve now. Okay? Yes. Yes, everyone, you have to open your page number 36. It is there in the page number 36. Which of the following drawings from A to D shows the given fraction? So what is the first fraction he has given? First question. He has given some pictures here and also some fractions. So which of the fraction it is related to that picture you have to show me. You have to tell me. Like that the question is there. So what are the fractions he has given? First one 2 into 1 by 5. Then second one 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. Third one 3 into 2 by 3. Next fourth one 3 into 1 by 4. These are the fractions and he has given some pictures here. Related to this fraction, he has given some pictures. What is the A picture? Picture A is what here? There are 3 balls. Out of 3, from each 3 balls, there are 3 equal parts. In this ball, in this ball, in this ball also, there are 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Out of these all 3 equal parts, from each ball, 2 parts are shaded. Just observe here, 2 parts are shaded here. Yes, here 2 parts are shaded. 2 parts are shaded, and here also the 2 parts of this ball are shaded. Here also the 2 parts of this ball are shaded. Yes, just please write the fraction for this one. Here, how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. Out of 3, 2 are shaded. Here also out of 3, 2 are shaded. Out of 3, 2 are shaded. Shall I write this one? Totally 3 pictures are there. Totally 3 pictures are there. From each picture, how many parts it is shaded? 2 by 3 part it is shaded. Is there like this any one of the fraction here? 3 into 2 by 3 like that. Is there any fraction here? Tell kerkobiಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ fraction ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕರೊಳಗ where it is third. Yeah, so this first picture it is matches to the third fraction. Which one it is? Third fraction, 3 integer 2 by 3. So like this way we have to draw the picture and write the fraction for each diagram. Then you have to match them. Match the following, it is like a matching. Okay. So what is the second B1 picture? What is the B picture here? There are two rectangle square boxes. There are two square boxes. From each square box we have divided it into two rectangular boxes. Here also one square box, it is divided into two rectangular boxes. In each rectangular boxes we have shaded one portion, one part. Yes, what is the fraction for this one? First one, total parts of the object you have to take in the denominator. How many shaded here? How many we have considered? We have to take in the numerator. That is, out of total two parts, one part it is shaded. So how can we write the fraction for this one? 1 by 2. Then here also 1 by 2. Such a way 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How many are there here? 2 are there. 2 times of 1 by 2. Is there this fraction here anywhere? Yes, good. Second one. So this picture it is matches to the second fraction, that is 2 into 1 by 2. Next, what is the C picture? Picture C. What is here given? There are 3 square boxes. There are 3 square boxes. So these 3 square boxes again we are split into 4 equal parts. Is it visible to you? The last picture? Yes, it is visible to everyone. Good. Yes, here these 3 square pictures again it is divided into 4 equal parts. Here also it is divided into 4 equal parts, divided into 4 equal parts. Out of each of these 4 equal parts, one parts are shaded. Here this box is shaded. Here this box is shaded. Again here this box is shaded. Yes, one parts are shaded. Any box you can take. What is the fraction for this one? Out of all 4 equal parts, how many parts it is shaded? 1 part. So how can we create the fraction? It is 1 by 4. Here also out of 4 equal parts, how many shaded? 1 is shaded. Here also out of 4 equal parts, how many shaded? 1 is shaded. So such a way 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. How many fractions are there here? There are 3 fractions. So you can write it as 3 into 1 by 4. Yes? Is there like this way any fraction here in this question? 4. Yes, this fourth one matches to the C picture. Here fourth answer 3 into 1 by 4. So dear student, finally the D1. What is the D question here? There are 2 circles. In each of the circle there are 5 equal parts. Here 2 circles. In each of the circle there are 5 equal parts. So you want equal parts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in each of the ring there are 5 equal parts. Out of 5 equal parts, each of here 1 parts are shaded. Here also only 1 part it is shaded. Shall we write a fraction for this shaded picture? Yes, it is so easy. What is the fraction for this one? Out of 5 equal parts, only 1 part is shaded. Out of 5 equal parts, only 1 part is shaded. So such a way, how many pictures you are getting here? 2 pictures. 2 into 1 by 5. Like this way, any fraction it is given here? Yes, it is first one. Like this way, we have to match the fraction for given picture. Is it clear to everyone now? Yes, dear student. write here the fractions, then total it becomes what? Then it is matches to which fraction in this given question. I hope you got it all. Yes, clear? It is so basic concept as well as so easiest concept. I hope everyone you got it now. Yes, clear? Clear? Okay, take fast, or else better you have to take the screenshot of this one. Then I will go to the next question. It is second main question. Shall I? Okay, how many of you are writing? Write it fast, or else better you have to take the answers in the textbook. Yes, in your textbook there are pictures, but later we have to write it in a notebook compulsory. Okay. Please don't draw that like way lines. So how I have solved? How can you understand, sir? Just if you matching that by drawing a line. How can you understand how this 2 by 3 fraction came? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Together it becomes a 3 into 2 by 3. Write this all clearly. Yes, you are sitting in a live class, you are sitting in an offline class, then also you are not taking properly. It is waste of time yours, not for me. Yes? Yes, already have done. Good. Shall we go to the second question? Santosh, take clearly. Yes, what is the second question here? Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show the fraction 3 into 1 by 5. It is nothing but 3 by 5. 2 into 1 by 3. 3 into 3 by 4. It is same like a first question. Are you able to solve that second way? Exactly same like your first question. Will you solve this one? Please, dear student, tell me, are you able to solve this one, or once again I want to explain here again 3 diagrams, 3 fractions. Yes, take it now. Yes, see here. What is the second main question here? Second main. Same way, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show the fraction 3 into 1 by 5, that is 3 by 5. 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3, and 3 into 3 by 4. Here there are 3 fractions. 3 into 1 by 5. Already you have done yesterday one whole number by one fraction multiplication. The condition what we were doing? Whole number multiplied by the numerator, then keep the denominator as it is. It becomes 3 into 1, 3 divided by 5. Then second one what? 2 into 1 by 3. Second one what? 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1, 2 divided by 3. Then third one, 3 into 3 by 4. It becomes 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 4, you can convert it into mixed fraction. By the division method, how could we convert it into the mixed fraction? 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. How we will arrange these numbers? 2 is a 1 of the whole number. Remainder comes in the numerator, keep the denominator as it is. It becomes 2 integer or 2 whole 1 by 4. So pictures. Drawing a picture, it is hectic here. No. We will draw in front of the diagram. The drawing, sir, we say like this way, it is very fast. Okay. There are 3 equal parts. Out of 3 equal parts, one part is shaded. Here also there are 3 equal parts. Out of 3 equal parts, only one is shaded. Together these two, how can you write? In a ring, there are 3 equal parts. From this one, we will shade 2 parts. So it gives 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Together these two, we are adding these two. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, it becomes what? 2 by 3 is left. Yes, which one it is? Second. Next, Fifth one, there are 3 triangles. From each 3 triangles there are again 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded here. Out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded in this triangle. There are 3 triangles. In each triangle there are 4 equal parts. How many? There are 4 equal parts. Okay. Yes, out of these 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. Here also these 3 parts are shaded. Here also these 3 parts are shaded. How can you write in the fraction form? Yes, take here. It is 1 by 4. No. Out of 4 equal parts, how many parts are shaded? 3 by 4. 3 parts are shaded. 3 parts are shaded. 3 parts are shaded. We can add these 3. How many times? Together we can write it as 3 into 3 by 4, that is 9 by 4. 9 by 4, how can you write? 2 whole 1 by 4. Means out of these 3 triangle, 2 triangles are completely shaded. In one triangle only one portion is shaded, one part is shaded. See here, 2 complete triangles are shaded. Then in the third one only one part is shaded. So he has given the diagram like this way. In 2 triangles it is completely shaded. In one triangle it is shaded only one part. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? So which fraction it is matching here? Third one. Same way we will do that. Next one, 3 into 1 by 5, it is matches with the third picture, that is C one. Clear? Okay, take it. Then we will go to the question number 3. Third question. Is it clear, madam? Or else any doubt here? Please, who is this one? Okay, Vaishnavi, no doubt. Good. Vijay? Sana SH, Namita Naik, Anvika. Madam, show me your beautiful faces. Anvika, Omkar, please show me your faces. Nagapradnya, where's your uniform, madam? Uniform. That's why you are not on the video. Good. Srishti, Nishant, sir, Nishant Edali sir, Moksha, Arya, Rajendra. Arya, yesterday also I called so many times. Today also I am calling your name, but you are not making on your video. What is the problem, sir? I don't know. Okay, we will go to the question number 3 in the exercise 2.2. Third question. What is the third question here? Third question is multiply and reduce it to the simplest form. What is the meaning of simplest form here? Simplest form means there is no common factor in between numerator as well as the denominator. Simplest form means there is no common factor in between numerator as well as the denominator. So what are the fractions he has given? First we have to multiply them. Then we have to keep in a simplest form. Is it clear? Okay, let it be the second question. It is a homework. Then continue in the third question. Yes, first one, 7 into 3 by 5. Very easy numbers. He has given a whole number by fraction. Multiplication of a whole number by fraction. Whole number by fraction. 7 into 3 by 5. What we are doing here? Multiply the whole number by numerator, then keep the denominator as it is. Yes, we are doing same way in the last class. Good. So here 7 into 3, 21, 5 as it is 21 by 5. 4 into 1 by 3, second one. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1, 4 divided by 3 as it is. Next third one. Please solve with me also. You also solve. as with me. So you can complete easily these all the works. Next one, 2 into 6 by 7. 2 into 6 by 7. 2 6 are 12 divided by 7 as it is. So next one, 5 into 2 by 9. 4 12, 5 into 2 by 9. 5 2s are 10 divided by 9 as it is. Next one, 2 by 3 into 4. However, he will give no issue. Yes, what he has given? 2 by 3 into 4. Fraction by whole number. In that condition also, multiply the numerator by whole number. Yes, same. 4 2s are 8. 8 divided by 3. Sixth one, seventh one means big number you are giving to us. Okay. This ninth one. Ninth, is it a big? 10th also big? Ninth one. Is it big number? No. Ninth one, what it is? 13 into 1 by 3. Next, 10th one, 15 into 3 by 5. 15 into 3 by 5. Okay. See here. 13 into 1, 13 by 3. Next here. 15 into 3, 45 by 5. And one more question he has given. You have to keep in the simplest form. Yes, you can. 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja. So this answer is what? In the simplest form, this answer is 9. Okay, over. So which one I have given to you? 6, 7, 8. Only 3 numbers I have given to you. That is 5 by 2 into 6, 11 into 4 by 7, 20 into 4 by 5. 20 into 4 by 5. Will you solve these 3 from third main? Yes. What is the homework? Third main, question number 6, 6, 7, 8. Will you solve these? Yes. Next, shall we go to the question number 4? Shall we go to the question number 4? Yes. So time is 11:27. Still we have the 3-minute time. We can complete the question number 4 here. Yes, all of you ready? All of you ready? This question number 4, it is same as like your question number first and second. I hope you can do it. Fourth question. In question number first and second, he has shaded, but in the question number 4, he has given to you as a shade the picture. I hope you can do it. Yes, dear student. Okay, next shall I go to the question number 5. Main question 5. So again one more homework is added to you. That is question number 4. Next shall I go to the main question 5 from the exercise 2.2. Yes, take now. Question number main question 5th one. What is the question here? Find 1 by 2 of. Very interesting. 1 by 2 of. First one what? Yesterday I have given same way some of the questions as a homework. Of means what here? Multiplication. This fourth main. Will you do it? Easy. 1 by 2 of first one 24. Second one 46. Means how to do this? Just like a multiplication. Multiplication of a fraction by fraction. So first one, what is nothing but 1 by 2 of 24 in the sense what we have to do? 1 by of means what here? Multiplication. 1 by 2 into 24. 2 1 ja 2, 12 ja. So your answer 12 1 ja 12 itself. So here second one, 1 by 2 of 46. It is nothing but half of 46 means half into 46. 2 1 ja 2, 23 ja 23 into 1, 23. Easiest question. Then beat one here, 2 by 3 of 18 and 27. It is the 8th one. Beat one, 2 by 3 of First one 18, second one 27. So see here, first one 2 by 3 of 18 in the sense 2 by 3 into 18. Yes, is there any common factors here? In these two there is no common factor, but here there are 3 is one of the common factor. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. So the answer 2 into 6, how much you are getting? 2 6 ja 1. So second one here 2 by 3 of 27 means 2 by 3 into 27. Again there is a common factor in between 3 and 27. I will cancel this. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. So 2 into 9. 2 into 9, 18. 2 9 ja, 18. Easiest questions? Yes? All these are easy or difficult? So easy. Will you do same way sheet 1 and D1? C and D. Are you ready? Okay, again your homework added here. The question number fake. What are the sub question? Sheet 1 as well as D1. Sheet 1 as well as D1. Now shall we go to the question number 6? 6 or end up? End up? Or 6 1? Okay. So you are not getting the homework here. So please see this homework in the left side of your corner of the class. I have given the homework. Please observe that homework part. Third main, 6th, 7th, 8th question. Third main, 6th, 7th, 8th question. Then 4th main. Next 5th main, C as well as D. 5th main, C as well as D. So we have to stop now. 6, 7, 8 we can take in the next class. Yes, dear student. So today just we have made mutual interchange. That is your science class was first period, but I have taken now. Then second class maths, in that period your science miss will take the class. Okay.